Hey guys, so it's Easter. It's Easter Sunday. I look a hot mess. Just got done finished doing the dishes
Guys, what's up? We're doing an explosion.
after dinner. We're doing an explosion. Joseph got a Mentos and diet soda thing. So we're doing it. So Joseph's gonna go ahead and set it up.
Wait a minute. Okay, screw it on. Don't let it go. Oh, we're good.
My hands are full, so.
You'll get out of the videotape.
Oh, sorry.
You take the cat with me.
Is it screwed on?
Yeah.
Look, look!
Whoa, that's cool.
That almost hit the power line.
Yeah.
That could have.
Put your head over.
Quick, go put more in there.
That thing, I think it was in
Smells
the
so
water.
good.
I know it does, doesn't it? You should put all of them in there.
Try one and see if it'll even do it again, even react again.
It should.
How many Mentos again?
Do 4 and see what happens.
Alright.
Don't
Do like 4 and see what happens.
put the entire roll in.
No, it won't fit.
No,
I can do 4.
it says 2.
Do 4. Yes, do it, YOLO.
Just do it
Yeet.
Okay.
and see what happens, okay?
Enough soda.
Dab.
Do
Bet.
3. Just do. You already done them.
Do it. Do it.
Hold on, hold on.
Go. Oh man.
That's all right. The effect is gone.
Can you
So
shake
then
it?
We'll get you another one and do
It
it.
needs to be full, that's all.
Oh.
No, it didn't foam at all. It needs
No, it needs to be full.
Yeah.
And then-
It's all right. We'll get you another one another day.
Watch your face.
Boom!